Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a menu in editorx in 2023. editorx is a powerful website design and development platform that allows you to create professional and interactive websites. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding a menu on editorx. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's just go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. So once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type editorx.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, you will find yourself at the home screen or main screen. And if you're not used to the website or you're not familiar, if you didn't familiarize yourself with this yet, you can scroll down and read all the informations about it. It's gonna be something like Wix website if you're used to that, but it's just a little bit advanced. And of course, so if you have an account, you can simply go and click on login to log into it. But if you don't have an account, click on get started and create an account, enter your credentials, and you'll be good to go. You can even log in or create your account with Google account or Facebook account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you do so, of course, once you access your editor X website or account, you'll have to go and access the editor X editor. So as an example, I'm just going to click on this panel, as you can see, or pen here. This will just let me access the website editor. So it's actually, as you can see, Wix website editor. So as I said, it's like the same like editor X. So if you're used to that, it will not be a lot of problem. So once you access the editor X editor, of course, you will have to go and open the pages panel. So simply locate pages, you'll find it on this list panel. And of course, this panel usually resides on this list panel's side interface. You'll simply have to click on the pages. As you can see, you'll find here pages and menu. Click on it, and here you'll find all the list of pages on your website. As you can see, you'll have here the site menu. We'll have the sign up, login, a cart, and thank you, store page, blog page, members area, booking page. So if you click on site menu, of course, this will include normally a lot of pages, and of course other sections will include a lot of pages. So here you'll find all the pages that you want. So select the page where you want to add the menu. From the pages panel, you can select the page where you want to add the menu, and you can click on the page name to open it on the editor. And of course, this will allow you to make changes specifically to that page. If you don't want to make any pages on that page, as an example, you can simply go and click on another page, and you can choose like a page from the things that they are suggesting from here, or you can simply go and click on add a new page. Give it a name as an example. Of course, they will ask you to give it a name. I'm just going to name it a test. Click on done, and as you can see, you will find yourself on it once you click on it. So once you select the page, of course, you will have to go and add a menu component. So in the editor, as an example, you can go here to add elements, or of course, in the editor, you can look for components or elements panel or a similar section that contain various website elements, which is this one, as you can see, the first plus option. And you can search for the menu components or drag and drop into the page the menu components. Of course, it may be labeled as menu, navigation, or similar. As you can see, we have here text, image, button, stripe, decorative, box, gallery, menu. As you can see, that's what we're looking for, a menu. So as you can see, if you go here to menus, you will find here a lot of options. So you can go and choose whatever suits you. So as an example, let's just choose this vertical menus and click on it. So as you can see, this will add a menu for us in the test page. Now, if we, as an example, go and click on the manage menu, as you can see, if we go and, as an example, let's just delete this page, delete it, and now go to the pages of the test page, as an example, and as you can see, they add the new page, or the page is deleted from this menu. And as you can see, if you can see, this test is with blue because I am on this page at the moment. So of course you can now customize your menu however you want. As example, you can edit the layout of it, the design, the animation if you want to, and even the settings if you want to. So customize it however you want. Once you finish, you can simply preview everything by clicking on preview there. You can simply start clicking on your menu and see if it's working. And once you're done, of course, once you're testing on your menu and it's working correctly, you can simply go and publish your sites and you will be good to go. So let's just go back and even like delete this because I already have a menu and that's normally gonna be it. S- So other than that, of course, you'll be able to do multiple stuff on editorx. So you'll be able, of course, to add elements. So as you can see here, you'll be able to add some text. As you can see, we have some theme text, some titles, some paragraphs if you want to, depending on whatever you want to use it for. So as an example, if you want to explain something you would like to add, like some paragraph, if you want just to give it an idea, you can add some titles, or you can go and add some theme text if you want to. Of course, there's the option even to add some images. You can upload some images from your PC, and you will be able to add it to your editor or to your website right away. Other than that, of course, as you can see, you can even explore some images from Wix or even from illustrations. If you didn't find what you like, you can import it simply from your PC, download it from whatever website you want, and come back here and add it. You can even go and add some buttons if you want, like some people clicking on that button to shop, to send them to a link exactly, or to send them to sign up or something like that. You can use buttons from here. So as you can see, we have theme buttons, text and icons buttons, and a lot of buttons option that you can choose or that you can use. As you can see, this is for locations, for mail, and a lot of other stuff that you can go and explore by your own. So on the stripe option, as you can see, we have here some stripes, some classical ones, features, about, service. So you can go and add it if you want to. There's the decorative again. There is, as you can see, depending on the shape, on the vector art, on the video. There's even the option of adding like a video. You can even hover it and see how the video will be. So you can go and drag it, as you can see, and drop it wherever you want. So let me just go back here. And of course, other than that, you'll be able to add an example, some boxes if you want to, gallery, menu and anchor, contact forms. You can add some video and music. And of course, interactive lists, embedded code as an example. So if you have something that you want to integrate in your website as a code, you can embed it, as you can see, as HTML, or embed the site, or embed like some custom in elements. Of course, you have here some socials if you want people to have your Facebook, Twitter, I don't know, YouTube, Instagram. And of course, here there's the payments options, content manager, blog, store, booking, event, community, and my design. Other than that, you'll be able to add some sections, some pages and menus, say site design, and you'll be able even to add apps. Of course, those apps are extremely helpful and useful for a lot of other stuff. So you can add like some PayPal option to buy or some online store. You can add some comment section, all by the apps. You can even go and go here to my business option. As you can see, you'll find here your business, kind of like the dashboard, of course, and here you'll find the media, and of course you'll find here, as you can see, the content manager, and finally marketing and SEO. And finally here just gonna be the options or everything that's added in this page. You'll find it here on the layers. So that's gonna be it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully added a menu to your editorx website in 2023. Of course, you've enhanced your website navigations in your user experience with this menu. So we hope this tutorial was helpful to you. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you, of course, in the next video.